Good afternoon. My name's Robert Sheik. I'm the COO of Uvify. Uvify is a manufacturer of and developer of swarm drones. The drone you're looking at today is what we call the IFO. This is the world's leading swarm light show drone platform. 90% of the market here in North America, what you're seeing, whether it's sports, movie releases, weddings, you name it, concerts, that's with this platform. And we have a slogan with this platform, See, Believe. So you can look at YouTube videos of many operators, many productions, and this is what you're going to see in those. Whether it's over New York, London, Berlin, wherever, 90%, North America 80%, globally is the Uvify IFO. Tomorrow night at 6:30 over the Las Vegas Convention Center, one of our partner companies, Sky Elements, will be doing a performance for the LDI, and the drones you're going to see, the technology is the Uvify IFO. So we're the only company doing the actual performance here at the show. If you want to learn more about our product, our solutions, it's a turnkey end-to-end system. Anyone can get into this business. We'll train you, we'll support you. All you have to do is go out, sell, and market your business. We do the rest for you. If you want to know more, one more thing. This is the only platform to win 3 Guinness World Records. And that's this year alone. If you want to learn more, get in touch with us at www.uvify.com. That's www.uvify.com. And we look forward to hearing from you and helping you succeed in this business.